Welcome. In this video, we're gonna learn about the boolean variables, what they do, how to write it, and what's the boolean variable. So the boolean variables usually has two value. It's either gonna be uh, false or it's gonna be true. And the way to write the boolean variable is bool. This is the way to create a boolean variable. So let's create boolean variable, name it x. Now I created a boolean variable and assign it to the x. So as we said, this x could have either true or false, which means it could have either 1 or 0. 0 for false and 1 is for true. So if I say if x, then and I say ask from the, if I give the boolean variable true, this is the way to write true, or you could write false. Even if you write 0, then this means it's false. If you write 1 or any other values, but you probably just want to stick to 1, then this means it's true. So let's keep it true, and we're gonna say if x, so we assign the value true for our set. This means the condition over here is true because the x is true. Then we're gonna say if the condition is true, well, condition is true, then it's gonna see out high. So let's run it and it will automatically see out high for us. As you guys see, it's there is high. But if I make it this false, then it's, and compile it, then nothing gonna happen because the condition is false. So if I say else cout condition is false. Now if I run this now, it's gonna say condition is false because the condition over here is false, so it's gonna say condition is false. So this is the way the boolean variable works. It could have either value 1 or true or false. So and another way to write it is, let's say we have another integer a. I'm gonna say cout enter a number, and then we're gonna ask from the user to enter a. So what I'm gonna do, say x equals a bigger than, maybe let's name it 5, right? So this condition is the x gonna equal true only if a is bigger than bigger than 5. So if user enters 4, then our condition is false because we're gonna say x is gonna be true only and if only the a is bigger than 5. So if user enters 1, 2, 3, then or 4 or 5, then it's always false. But if the user enters 6, 7, and etc., then this condition gonna be true. So I'm gonna say condition is true instead of high. So let's run it and see what's happened. So it's gonna say enter a number, and if I enter 3, then it says condition is false because a is less than 5, then the condition false is assigned for the x. And if I run it one more time and I say enter a number and he enters 9, then the condition is true because a bigger than 5, then the condition over here true, which means x has been assigned for true, which means this condition is true.